These are my LA sneaker pickups. What's up guys, it's Gavin and welcome back to my channel. I wasn't able to upload the video lately because I was in LA last month. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you all of my sneaker pickups from my LA trip. But before we begin, I would like to give a huge shout out to Rastaclat and Beyond Hype for sending this Iceberg Rastaclat over. It is now available at beyondhype.com. Be sure to get yours now. With that being said, let's get on with my first pickup. The first pickup that I got from Rodeo Drive aren't sneakers, but I consider them an honorable mention. These are the Gucci Matelassé slides. When I went inside the Gucci store, I was amazed because of the collection that they had inside. It's completely different from the one here in the Philippines because they have so much more clothing, sneakers, and bags inside. And when I was in there, I decided to get a white Gucci blade shirt to match these slides. And here are the black Gucci Matelassé slides. These cost $290 before tax. I had to get these because they're very elegant and it resembles the classic marmot design of Gucci. My next pickup was from Dover Street Market in downtown LA. It wasn't my first time visiting a Dover Street Market since I've already visited the one in Tokyo, Japan. Inside Dover Street Market, they have cool brands like Balenciaga, CDG, and Undercover. And let me show you what I got inside. Here are the CDG Vans. I'm very fortunate to get these sneakers a week after it was released. These sneakers have such a clean colorway and it will go well with any attire. These cost $150 before tax. For my next cop, which was also from Dover Street Market, these are the CDG Play Converse. I already have a couple of these Converse CDGs, just like this one right here, but I didn't have them in the black colorway, so I had to get them now.
Deemax beats.
Here are the black Converse CDG Play. These are classic sneakers and everybody should have it in their rotation. These sneakers cost $135 before tax. Next are the Converse Essentials. Now, when I went inside PacSun, I was looking for Essentials pieces and I asked the guy who worked there if they had any. He said no, they didn't, but luckily they still had these sneakers in my size. So I got the last pair and I was very lucky to still get them a week after its official raffle at PacSun. So here we have the classic Essentials color Converse. And the Essentials tab at the back. These sneakers would go well with earth or dark colored attires. it costs $110 before tax. Next up, we have the Nike React Element 55 Kendrick Lamar's. The Nike in the Grove was enormous. It had 3 floors, all filled with new sneakers and a bunch of cool apparel. When I got these sneakers, I was really surprised to see them along with another sneaker that's really cool, and I'll be showing it to you right after this one. When I caught these, I was really happy because I couldn't believe that they were still on the shelf. These sneakers cost $150 before tax. It is a really comfortable sneaker, and it has a great colorway because it is inspired by the yin yang and because it is a Kendrick Lamar sneaker. Now for the other sneaker that I mentioned, we have the These are the Nike Warachi Adapts Racer Blues. The Nike Warachi Racer Blues never released here in the Philippines.
Deemax beats.
The technology behind this shoe is similar to the Nike Adapt BBs, although it is made for more of a casual wear rather than a performance wear sneaker. These sneakers have the self-lacing system, which are similar to the Nike Adapt BBs. You can connect it to your Nike Adapt app where you can tighten or loosen the fit of your shoe and even change the colors of the buttons here on the side. Or if you wish to tighten your shoe or loosen your shoe manually, you can press these buttons here. Press this one to tighten it, or you can loosen it by pressing this button over here. It's just that easy. These sneakers look very futuristic compared to the Nike Adapt BBs, which are why I like them a bit more. These sneakers cost $350 before tax. Now, on to one of my favorite pickups. Here we have the Nike Off-White Waffle Racers. I got these sneakers from Undefeated in La Brea. These are a women's exclusive sneaker, which is why I had to get them in a size 12 so that it would fit me. I was really shocked to see these sitting on shelves along with the other 2 colorways that came along with this sneaker. So I had to get this along with the black and pink colorway. For me, these sneakers have such a clean colorway that it could go well with almost any attire. The only problem that I see with this sneaker, since I haven't worn it yet, are the spikes that it has in the bottom, and I'm wondering how it would feel on feet the moment you step on them on the ground. These sneakers cost $150 before tax. Last but not the least, one of my favorite sneakers that I've always wanted since the moment it leaked online back in 2019. Here are the Jordan 11 Breads. This iconic sneaker is an essential for every Jordan collector, not only for its looks, but also because of its history. I had to line up an hour at Foot Locker just to get these sneakers, and luckily they still had them in my size. The closest thing that I got to these sneakers was the Jordan 11 Bread Lows, which were released back in 2015. Personally, I really love these sneakers because the moment you say Jordan, these are the sneakers that you immediately think of. This sneaker costs $220 before tax. And these are my sneaker pickups from my trip to La La Land. Comment down below your favorite sneaker and which sneaker you want me to do an in-depth video of. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.